Right, so it's Friday, that's us all done, delivery is all now unloaded, and now we're all going to head over to DMO's new offices where we're going to lay a new floor and show you what we're up to.
Right, so this section's nearly done, the boys are just finishing off their cuts, and I'm just going to start this section for the cold candy. I've just cut a little access hole here, as you can see. We've got all the sockets under there, so they still need access to that because it's an office room. So, if I can get this back in. Bada bing, bada boom.
Right, so the floor's all finished, now time just to give it a quick clean up, get the pictures and videos, and we're off.